could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run? If we could run it, the things I didn't know, I had to get out down the road, inside of the same old, caught in the circles round they go. It's hard when you keep close, rewind with my eyes closed, might need a breather, got lost in the B-roll, let all the window to learn how the world goes. We didn't know how to move on. If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back?
Hey guys, I'm just checking in. I'm here at one of my university's study buildings that is open 24/7 and it's keycard access. So I was able to badge in with my student ID. So I'm just sitting here with my desk set up over there, and I am currently just studying, looking over some of my notes. But this is the view. I'm on the 4th floor, the top floor of the building, at least for this building, but it has really tall ceilings. So this building is a pretty big building. It just only has 4 floors because it has really tall ceilings in all of its floor.
From far away she looks so good. Grew up in the same neighborhood, and that's how to rub salt in the wound. Spend a few hours on the reservoir. Never broke a bone, so I'm gonna try hard to prove you wrong, that I'm not who I used to be. I'm not living at 17. Let's go. And 10 feet away, she's like a primrose. You're never taking me alive, so come close. And I know why you said it, 'cause I'm reading every word in your voice. Now I'm not who I used to be. Maybe it's a good thing, good thing coming, it's a good thing that we're not who we used to be. We're not who we used to be, and maybe that's a good thing.
Hey guys, like I mentioned before, I'm going to go see the fireworks with a friend, and this is what I decided to wear. Top was, I think, from a thrift store. Bottoms, the jeans are from Kohl's. I have my Apple Watch. Necklace was from a street vendor around the university during this special event, and then the bracelet was also from a street vendor. Hey guys, so this is the last check-in of the day. It is past midnight. It's like 12:30 right now, and I just got washed up after coming back from the fireworks show, which it was fun. It was definitely fun meeting and being able to connect with a friend after a few weeks, but excuse me. After a few weeks, but it was like a 2-hour wait. We got in line around like 8:30 and they didn't let us into the park until like 10 because the line was so long. So, yeah. And it was like a 30 to 40 minute show. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it, but it was really nice to spend tonight with a friend. But yeah, and since I have a 9:30 class tomorrow morning, I should really head off to bed. So, thank you so much for coming along with me today on the 4th of July. And I hope you enjoyed the fireworks show coming right up. Have a good night and happy 4th of July, everyone.
If we could run it back, if we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run all the things I didn't know? I had to get out down the road inside of the same old, caught in the circles round they go. It's hard when you keep close. Rewind with my eyes closed. Might need a breather. Got lost in the B-roll.